1 minute of market open, 9:16 am, sell call, red color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video, like this daily, you just need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls like entry point, target and stop loss. Through these entries you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also. By connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trading also. If you want this chart, if you want to know the chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the detail. Today it's a November 8th, Friday market, and 1 minute of market open, sell call came. It's a Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. On daily basis, we are uploading video on Bank Nifty future, like how the calls are generating and how it performing in live market. On daily basis, we are uploading. So today in Bank Nifty future 1 minute, 9:16 am, sell at 51,985. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? That is our entry line. Below line are target line, above line is the stop loss line. So the entry point is 985, first target is 855. It's a 130 point first target, more than a 100 point target. In 2 minutes of sell call generator, in just a 2 candle, it successfully break out the first target range. In 3 minutes of market open, yes, sell call generator and break out the target. 51,500 put option we are watching. We are showing a sample of how the option chart also working, because in this chart you can change script like in the money, at the money, out of the money, like Reliance crude oil also you can watch in this chart. In just a 2 candle, it has given a 50 point momentum. Can you see that the buy call came at 294 and it almost break out 360. If you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the details.